Smoking remains the leading cause of preventable mortality and morbidity worldwide. EBP, which stands for evidence-based practice, can be a reliable way to ensure that healthcare, including smoking cessation, is delivered according to the best available evidence. Through the application of the EBP model, an intervention was designed for a primary care organization to improve its smoking cessation program. While smoking rates are declining for the general population, smoking rates for particular groups such as women with low socioeconomic status, or SES, remain high. The first step of the process was to create a PICO question to determine whether specific smoking cessation interventions should be used with women with low SES who smoke. The question also guided the literature search for the most appropriate evidence to answer the question. Applicability of the research, along with the strength of evidence, were considerations used to find highly credible and appropriate sources of evidence. Based on the critical appraisal, it was clear that specific smoking cessation interventions should indeed be used with these women. The evidence led to the conclusion that smoking cessation program for this particular subset of women should include strategies that build confidence and increase their motivation to quit. In addition, interventions should aim to reduce stigma, stress, and other real barriers to smoking cessation faced by women with low SES. Based on the evidence, an organizational intervention was planned to address the issue. A web-based health education intervention was developed to educate nurses involved in smoking cessation programming. This modern method of online education can be used effectively to address some of the potential barriers to staff education, including time, scheduling challenges, space, attitudes, and cost. It has been successfully implemented in other healthcare organizations to address smoking cessation. The overall goal of the intervention is to assist women with low SES to achieve better quit rates, which will inadvertently lead to better health outcomes. The evidence used in the process was very similar to the local context of the organization for which the intervention was being planned. Therefore, it was directly applicable. The intervention was based on the trans-theoretical model, or TTM, which is commonly used for addressing health changes, including smoking cessation. Its foundation is based on an understanding of the relationship between the social determinants of health and health behaviors. It also includes a stage of change element, which proposes that individuals are at different stages or readiness to change behaviors which are impacting their health. The step of transferring knowledge into clinical practice is a key and final component of the EBP model. In conclusion, EBP was used to inform clinical practice and an intervention created to better address the needs of women with low SES who need specialized support to successfully quit smoking.